So, are you tired of using those air freshener Christmas trees or those little potpourri ones? Well, stay tuned. I'll show you what you can do to keep your car smelling good a lot longer. So you want to make your car smell a little bit better? Come on, let's take this walk in the store. I'll show you where. So typically we always end up here looking for our car smell. And personally, these last for a little bit, but you'll see what I'm going to show you. But these do last halfway decent. These are garbage, you know, just for a quick fix. But let me show you the bigger version of these that you can use to keep your car smelling fresh. I'd say is take yourself to the smell good aisle, this aisle here. So what I use are the Febreze small spaces, and this particular smell here is a very clean smell. Obviously do make the smaller version of it that can go into your vents. It comes in a 2-pack, put one in your car, put one in the closet, and they'll save the other one. But as you can see, like those are the smaller versions for your vents. That's what gave me the idea of using the bigger ones. Okay, here we are. So like I said, I do put these in my car. I use them. This one's been in here for about a good, let's say 3 weeks. It's been holding up. The temperature here has been like 100 degrees for the past couple weeks. It's now cooling down, and you see it still has a lot of juice left. So what I tend to do is literally just take this. You can put it under your seat or put it in one of the door panels. That's what I tend to do with it. Or place it in your console, or not your console, but like the little cubby area. Honestly, I put it in the back door. It's out of sight, out of mind. Really out of sight, out of mind. Then I call it a day. So I hope this helps you guys out to keep your car smelling nice and fresh. If you haven't changed your cabin filter, look at my video on that. I'll show you how to change your cabin filter. That helps out a whole lot with smell. It completely does. But this is, let's say after you change your cabin filter and you run that spray through it, use this to continue the good smell going. Like I said, this can be a little overpowering sometimes once you put it in there. But give it about a week, it tones down, and then every time you open your doors, it's a fresh scent. So enjoy, like, subscribe. Leave your comments down the bottom if you tried something like this. If you haven't, hopefully you do try it. I'll actually leave a link in the comments and the link down in the description to show you like what I'm getting and where you can get it from. Till next time, stay dangerous.